The Italian legend loved by figure skating fans all over the world, Karolina Kostner. She sent a special invitation to Kim Yuna and you in Korean. Shall we listen together?
밀라노로 오세요.
Her Korean pronunciation is so good.
밀라노로 오세요.
밀라노로 오세요.
밀라노로 오세요, a polite way to invite someone to a place. This expression can be used by putting places, tools, or means in front of it. The 2026 Winter Olympics, for which Karolina Kostner sent an invitation message to Kim Yuna and everyone, will be held from February 6th in Milan and Cortina d'Ampezzo, Italy. We look forward to seeing which sports heroes will emerge at these Olympics. Let me give you another example.
카페로 오세요.
카페로 오세요.
택시로 오세요.
In this case, depending on the context, there are two meanings to take a taxi and to come to the taxi.
택시로 오세요.
This sentence has a rule. In Korean, consonants that appear under vowels are called batchim, final consonants. When a word that ends in a consonant like this comes before it, we use
강남으로 오세요.
강남으로 오세요.
This rule exists to make pronunciation easier. Therefore, there is one more rule when the final consonant is the same R. It is not added and written as is.
서울로 오세요.
서울로 오세요.
It is an important particle used for a wide variety of meanings such as direction, destination, means, tool, or status. Let's learn a few more. Let's say the first word and read the whole sentence.
학교.
학교.
학교로 오세요. 공원.
공원.
공원으로 가세요.
공원으로 가세요.
연필.
연필.
연필로 쓰세요.
연필로 쓰세요.
Today, we learned a very useful survey. It's simple, so you'll remember it well, right? I was deeply impressed by Kim Yuna's figure skating at the Vancouver Winter Olympics, which perfectly blended artistry and technical skill. Regardless of my Korean identity, Kim Yuna remains a living legend in the figure skating world. Let's cheer on the athletes from each country at the Milan Winter Olympics, which will be held from February 6, 2026. See you next time with another fun video. Bye!